Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing Dear Birds Series-Plush. There are 8 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Each one comes in lovely packaging. It's also packed in a drawstring bag, super convenient. The first one is Lab Ubu. Dive into love. The ID card is designed like an envelope this time. It's a scaly-sided merganser. It's a little duckling. Labubu's ears are also here. It features the iconic long feathers of the merganser in the center. Wings are movable. The inside of the wings is red. Hard on chest printed with Lab Ubu. Its tilted head pose looks silly. It has tiny eyelashes. Its eyes look a bit dull. The back shows gradient duck feather texture. The texture is superb, really worth getting. The second one is Crybaby. Shall we dance? Crybaby transforms into a blue-footed booby. Dancing little bird. Round from the side. Unique blue feet. The fur feels super soft and cozy. The tiny pointed beak looks cute. Our Crybaby printed on its chest. The wing texture looks vivid. Wings and tail are brown. Flapping tiny short wings. The third one. Got a Demu. Whispers of love. Demu turns into a sparrow. It really looks like a little sparrow from the side. Iconic cloud baby. The feet are linen texture. Wild and fluffy fur. The tail has a different texture from the body. The wings can rotate freely. Demu printed on the chest. It has sandbags inside, so it stands steadily. It's just like a little sparrow. So adorable. The fourth one. Skull Panda. A Dawn Duet. It's a northern cardinal. It sits in a similar posture to Demu. Super fluffy and nice to touch. You can see pearlescent details on its face. Skull Panda printed on the chest. Even the pom-poms have bird embroidery, such exquisite details. The cardinal's facial design is vividly crafted. Does the crest look like a crown on Skull Panda's head? Such a cute little one. All the bird wings are built with skeletons. The fifth one. Waiting in snow. Twinkle Twinkle turns into a snowy owl. It has a nice head framing face shape. It looks slender from the side. The fur is slightly curly. These 2 parts of fur are made of different materials. Stars and moons can be seen in its eyes. Snow patterns adorn its face. Wearing a star-shaped hat on its head. Eyes look a little helpless. The sixth one. Hirono, my deepest secret. Hirono transforms into a crow. Matches Hirono perfectly. Overall tone is black and gray. Hirono has the biggest feet among them. Hirono's fur texture is unique, resembling linen fabric. Fold its wings, and it will turn into a resting crow. Tail feathers differ from body plumage. Its wings can move simultaneously. Hirono wears a crown on its head. There is a silver button. Its beak looks really amusing. Hirono design on the chest. The seventh one. My Sweet Trouble. Molly transforms into a Gloucester canary. Quickly tidy up the fluffy Molly. It's actually pretty cute. Two little hair ties tie up its pigtails. Covered with short fine downy fur. The little tail is bouncy. Molly pattern on the chest. Such a lovely little bird. Its tiny eyes are super adorable. The last one. Make me blush. Hasapupu turns into a lovebird. Soft pink hue. Special patterns on the wings. The bird even has blush. So cute. Hard to tell if it's a bird or Hasapupu. Such a dull and cute little face. Round and chubby all over. Hasapupu logo on its chest. The feathers are extremely soft. There is also an egg-shaped plush display box. You can put these little birds inside. Let me get in. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.